everyone, how are you today, and welcome to Letscookolet. Today we're making gnocchi. Yes, here you go, it's my oven. The baked potato is ready to go actually. I'm gonna take it out. And yes, we're making a nice Italian dish, it's called gnocchi. So I had the potato in the oven and it was baked for about like 40 minutes. And I'm using the russet potatoes here. Cut it in half and open it up and let it cool down a little bit. It's much better to work with it if it's at room temperature. Yes, I wasn't feeling well for the last couple of days. You can tell by my voice, and I chill at home today and decide to make the gnocchi and share the recipe with you. Now for the potatoes, you can use the potato ricer, or you can mash the potato by hand. Or if you have the food mill, you can use the food mill here. And I'm gonna do it in the tray here. And all what I need, just the potato we have. Just make sure no skin in the potatoes. Clear up the bottom. Spread them a little bit, and let's start adding some flour. And for the potato, you can use any potato you want, any potato you have. It's not much different. The only difference is you just add a little bit more flour or less flour. And let's flavor it because it's gonna be potato and flour just blend. Let's add some salt, and I have some black and white pepper mixed together. Gnocchi love peppers. I'm adding 1 egg yolk, and let's start mixing it together. Now don't be afraid to use your hand. More flour. Beautiful. Let's pick all the remaining on the tray. Now let's put it on the board. Little tiny bit flour on the board. And now we're gonna let it rest for 10 minutes. And each slice in the flour. And when you slice it, about 1 inch, just to look like a mini pillow. And you can use the masher or anything has the this kind of design, and you just put it, roll it, and you have the shape for gnocchi. Voila, nice, they're all ready to go. Now make sure you bring your water to boil and a little bit salt in the water. And now we're gonna put them 4 or 5 at the time. You don't want to overcrowd it so they don't stick together. Voila, give it a little mix. And you can see it now start floating, and that's when you know it's ready, they're ready to go. When they all completely float on the top, and give it about like 1 minute boil and good to go. Turn off, and now let's transfer it on a separate plate till we make the sauce for it. I'm using sun-dried tomato. Turn on a medium high, and put the butter in the frying pan. So we have to chop the sun-dried tomato very small. Lovely. Now we have some fresh basil as well. Just a rough chop for fresh basil. Now I'm gonna add a little bit olive oil with the butter so that prevents the butter from burning. And The butter fully melted, and now it's time to put sun-dried tomato and the basil in. Salt, pepper, and now let's add the gnocchi. Potato gnocchi, looking good and ready to be served. Voila, fresh parm, basil as a garnish, and the moment of the truth. Wow, it's melt in your mouth, and it's with the sun-dried tomato, basil, and butter sauce. It's unbelievable. All yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.